Hello everyone, I am Sakshi Mandwal. Welcome to our program today that deals with advertising and market research. Our subject expert is Simrat Gulati, who has been an advertising professional for nearly 2 decades. Companies and individuals spend crores of rupees every year on advertising. Advertising for their product or brand, advertising for themselves, and advertising for social messages and ideas. A doubt that often crops up in their mind is, am I doing the right thing? Is my money being used well? Am I getting my money's worth? Similarly, the advertising professionals have issues that trouble them. Will this ad work? Will the audience like the ad and understand it? Is it going to be a successful campaign? Are we using the correct ways of reaching the people? Now the question that arises is, how can we find a solution to all these problems of the client and the professionals? The answers to all this is in the study of today's topic, advertising and marketing research. Every strategy, all ideas need to be tested and researched to be sure that you are moving in the right direction, and what you have planned and ideated will finally be successful. Various agencies like ORG-Marg or AC Nielsen, or at times the advertising agencies themselves, carry out this research. The results are useful for all the planning and strategizing. The first issue in this kind of research or testing is what to test, when to test, and how to test. The answer to the first is simple. We are testing our advertisement, our brand, our packaging, logo, colors, the media used, just about anything that we are launching or innovating with. We could be testing a new flavor of Lay's or a new kind of packing of Lux soap. When is a question that is difficult to decide in strict terms, but the answer to how to test may give us some leads. The tools available with us can be applied at the appropriate stage, and that's the way the when gets decided. If we are testing a new packaging, then it has to be done before the launch, that is the pre-testing stage. If we want to test the effect of an ad, then it would be at the post-testing stage, after the ad has run for a while and people have had a chance to see and understand it. How deals with the various tools and methods available to us, and an apt choice would also tell us when to test also. With the tools available, we can decide which is the appropriate stage at which to use them. These are the various kind of tests available to us. Their study will help us decide which to use. So far as advertising and market research goes, we put our testing into 3 categories. The first one is pre-testing, the second, concurrent or progressive tests, and the third, post-testing. Let's look at each and understand them as a tool, and then we can decide on where and when to use them. The pre-testing stage, as the name suggests, deals with all kinds of tests which are done before we actually come into the market with our launch. This is a method for testing before the actual plan is implemented. This tool has a vast scope. We can test the following: the product and brand dealing with marketing research, the advertisement, which would include copy testing, concept testing, testing suitability of models or celebrities, all to do with the advertising research, the media and the number of people it reaches out to, the popular media and the most effective ones. Next, we take a look at the various methods available to us for pre-testing relating to both marketing and advertising. Market research or market testing is done at the pre-launch stage, and we test the product, brand name, packaging and its sizes and all aspects related to the acceptance of our product and brand. There are various ways in which the testing can be done. The first way is test marketing. Here our product is introduced in a small market. The market is similar in its profile to our target market. The response of the consumers is measured, and we presume that the behavior here is similar to the whole market. Changes are suitably made, and then the product or the brand is launched in the complete market. With test marketing, the company is able to prevent making major mistakes in the market and prevent any failures. This method is suitable for both durable and consumable goods. Another method is to get consumers to sample or try out the new product. Free trial packs or samples are distributed, and the response of the consumers is taken. This method is very suitable for consumable goods like food items and personal care items. Liking and preference of taste, flavor, fragrance, or color can be tested before the launch of the product itself.